Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna be unboxing this one right here. It's a tabletop ring light, and if you've been eyeing on this of a tabletop ring light, whatever brand it is, then probably this video might help you because I'm gonna be giving to you, or I'm gonna be telling you the price, where I purchased it, and what are the features, and what are the things included in this purchase, and yeah, the things that I like about it, and probably some things that I don't like about it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So first thing is I'm going to be showing to you what are the products or what are the things included in this package, and after that I will assemble it for you guys. So the first one is we've got this ring light right here. It's LED. The advantage of LED is that it lasts like forever. If you're wanting a bulb, I'm not sure if bulb is available. The thing about bulb is you could replace it, but once it breaks, it's super hazardous because it has mercury. And if they have bulb, I'm not sure if you could purchase it anywhere if your bulb dies. So I think LED is better because, like I've said, it lasts like forever. So it's super light, it's plastic. You've got two options. They've got yellow, they've got pink and white. So the pink looks girly if you want to be like a girly kind of person and you want a girly pink things in your room or in your vanity, then that's good, but I prefer white. The thing about pink shade is it looks so pretty, but it looks so plasticky once the light is on. I don't feel it. So this one I could pretend that it's glass, but in reality it is all plastic. So you've got two buttons right here. One is turned on and the other one is for the yellow light. Next is we've got this one right here that connects your ring light to the base. So you could bend it like that or just straighten it. And also the base is right here. The base looks easy to lift, but it has weight. So yeah, you don't need to worry if this one could stand still with your ring light plus your phone. So it could. I've tested it. So these two's right here, and we've got this cord right here. I think this is 1 meter. I think so. And it's a USB cord. So the power supply of this ring light is from your computer. So yeah, because it's a USB cord. And also we've got this one right here wherein you attach your phone there and it holds your phone like this. So yeah, that's it. I will attach that later, and if you're too scared to assemble it on your own without reading the manual, so don't you worry because they included a manual, and one of the instruction in here is English. So yes, super, I don't know, I would say it's good that they should always include manual to every product that they are selling. And also I've purchased this for $39.99 in Amazon. This is by the brand ZOMEI. This one right here. I'm not sure if you could, this one right here. And yeah, if all of the information that I have mentioned doesn't make any sense to you and it's not clear, then you could check my description box, and I will be leaving the link of ZOMEI there, and it will direct you to their Amazon page. There you could see all of the information of the products and some of the reviews of the happy customers. So those things right there. Now yeah, this ring light, before I forget, this ring light is dimmable, so which is good. It's super small, but it's dimmable. And also it has something like here, like a hook, so if you have a small nails attached on the wall, so you could put it there like hanging on the wall, because yeah, oh, this is the first time I've seen this. It's really good. So the features are really good. Now I will assemble this to you, and honestly I haven't read the instruction, but the assembling of this one right here is pretty darn easy. Okay, so I'm gonna be assembling the product right now. So we've got here the base, and this is so make sure that it's secure and tight because you don't want your ring light to just fall and break, so it's tight now. And then we've got here the ring light, so I'm gonna put it in here and just turn it like that. There. So it's secure now. I'm gonna put the camera, so I've already attached my phone right here, and like I've said, my phone is iPhone 8 Plus and it's really heavy. So attach it here. Make sure that it is always tight. So there. So you could make your phone sit like that or stand like that. It depends on you. I prefer it like this. And yeah. And also here I'm gonna attach this in the ring light. There you go. It's not tight enough, so it's moving. There you go. And like I said, it's dimmable, so this is the highest full blast light, and I'm gonna turn on the yellow so it looks like that. I don't know if you could see the difference, but that's it. And yeah, it's dimmable, so let me turn it on off. So you could also purchase this one separately. It's not there, the supplier is not selling this one, but you could purchase this anywhere. And if you don't want your ring light to be attached onto your computer, and if you're carrying it somewhere, then this is very helpful. So that's it, guys. That's the inclusion of the package and also how to assemble the ring light behind me. It's so pretty and sleek, and I would say if I'm gonna rate this ring light, I would say it's 9/10 just because of this cable right here. I know it's 1 meter, but I am super limited because there are times that I want to take a picture of my table where my computer is on. So it's too short, and aside from that, this cable one right here, sometimes what if the person doesn't have computers, so this one is really necessary, but this is not included in the package. They should have included that. But other than that, the features are excellent, because you know what, this is only $39.99, and compared to your $150 huge ring light, the features are almost the same. Like, it's dimmable, the big one is dimmable, and you got a yellow light in this one right here, the big one, and you also got a yellow light there. So it's like the same, and it's LED, it's not bulb, so it's really good. And advantage of that is it's super handy. You could carry it anywhere you want to go, but you could also bring it outside, but you really have to have this powers this one right here. So that's it, guys, and it is really good. I used to carry my big ring light from bedroom to the living room just to take picture, the flat lay photography, and like taking picture of my makeup and post it on my Instagram. But I'm so glad that I've got that pretty ring light right there. So I would like to thank you, ZOMEI, for sending the product and for letting me review and give my honest opinion or honest review regarding the product. So yeah, if you're interested, then I'm gonna be, like I've said, all the links, if there are a lot of links, I will be leaving it on my description box, and let me know if you've purchased it or if you like it in the comment box section. So yes, 9/10 for one reason, this one right here, I keep repeating. So yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. See you on my next post, guys, and thanks for watching. I love you. Bye.